yeah. They get a try to 25 for them things, nigga. They walk up on your kid or you see your friends, nigga.
Hey y'all, it's me Prettywitty 77 and welcome back to another edition of the Deep Condish, where we deep condition our hair weekly while we get the dish on what happened in hip hop and pop culture or whatever. So grab your conditioners and let's condish this. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and all of y'all who are returning, go ahead and hit the like button off GP. Now, also, if you're new here, you want to know what I'm deep conditioning with, feel free to check the description box. It's always there, sis, so help yourself. And for anybody who's wondering, my hair is damp right now. I just washed my hair and air dried it for a little bit so it can stop dripping, which it did. So yeah, that's what I do. Afterwards, I will put a plastic bag on my head, sit under the hooded dryer for about 20 minutes, you know, sunlight. But yeah, so let's jump right into the deep condish. This week I didn't really find a lot of like fist pump news, but I got a little something, you know, y'all, little movie Black Panther or whatever. It's gonna be a sequel. Leave It to Beaver, which is me, who still haven't seen the movie, but I promise, like, I gotta go see it this week. Like, I got to, I feel like I'm the only person, but I still be out here talking about some Wakanda forever. I still be out here rapping. I don't know what I'm rapping, but you know, it sounds good, so you know, I'm gonna roll with it. Also, Solange, she was awarded the Artist of the Year with Harvard University. So shout out to you, sis. I was trying to think when I heard them that they gave her that award, what has Solange put out this year? Am I tripping? Artist of the Year? I mean, I know she had some good projects, but I can't remember what. Maybe I'm missing something. Like, I don't know. Y'all tell me. Don't know. And for y'all little Beehive fans, I seen the little ruckus y'all were keeping up on social media because Beyonce's on the run to tour. I think the tickets went up for pre-sale. You had to be like subscribed to Tidal or some stuff like that. Child, I'm so happy that I don't have to rush to get like Beyonce tickets released, because I heard they all y'all income tax money. And also like makeup, like little eyeshadow palettes that everybody be going crazy about. Don't know how to do it. Save my coins, sis. You can go to food. You know what I mean. And these bills. Okay. But yeah, what else? Oh, also, I don't know how old or young y'all, most of y'all like around my age anyways, but B2, ooh girl, BET is supposed to be bringing back Freestyle Friday, which was kind of a feature on 106 & Park, I believe. I did used to watch it, girl. I was young, trying to watch everything. I feel like I was into it when I was younger, but now I really don't care. But you know, and then I like rap too, so I don't know what's the deal with that. But if y'all are interested, I think they're gonna host it through YouTube. Like, you're supposed to submit a video through YouTube using a certain hashtag. They pick who they want, and they're gonna like host like certain thing, like battles and shit. I don't know, girl. I don't know. I don't freestyle. But yeah, that's it for the fist pump segment or whatever. I feel like I got a burp, like, just to keep it G. I don't want to be ratchet on camera and stuff. But moving right along into the amiss segment, Chris Brown and Bow Wow. Well, mainly Bow Wow versus Bow Wow, because I swear that is crazy. I don't know what's wrong with him. So he put out a song basically saying he missed the show to see Chris Brown and he wants them to turn it around. No. Some crazy stuff. I think it's hilarious because Chris Brown like commented on the video like, you good, bro? Like, ain't no beef between us. Bow Wow even said that it's no beef. Like, but why you drawing attention to yourself? And why you throwing Chris Brown in as if he ain't in enough in social media as is? Like, I just don't get it. I'm still embarrassed that I was a Bow Wow fan when I was younger. I feel like all my little crushes when I was, you know, a little jit, I feel like I'm so embarrassed. Like, what was I thinking? Ugh. Oh, y'all see that bounce back? Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. I think I might. Okay, Sorry, got a little excited because this little part is just about natural. But let's get back on y'all little homeboy Bow Wow. I don't know. I think something wrong with him. He doing whole Bow Wow challenges. Now he making music that's not real life and putting people in, innocent people. Like, I don't know what's wrong with him. Something else that was a little bogus. Chris Brown, no, Snapchat and Rihanna. Snapchat featured some kind of post, would you rather post, that said, would you rather slap Rihanna or punch Chris Brown? And the media went crazy basically because they was trying to say they was kind of making light of domestic violence victims, and it's really not a laughing matter. Like, why would they say that? Especially, you know, considering the situation that they have been in previously. I feel like people just be dragging Chris Brown. I mean, Chris Brown wrong for what he did, but like, let that man live. Like, let him try to rededicate his life. He got a little child to live for now. Like, leave that man alone. And Rihanna then voiced her opinion. Somebody said that Snapchat stock or something is going down. I don't know. Like, I'm really mad at Snapchat. Nobody could find my snaps. I got people DMing me DMing me on Snapchat like, did you post videos? Like, I really don't see you anymore. I'm just making sure that I didn't miss anything. Like, my views down. Like, I don't know, Snapchat. I don't have time. But, you know, I still mess with it, you know, here and there. So make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Prettywitty77. Yeah, and people ain't taking it lightly. I think I ain't gonna even mention her because, you know, she's a nobody. So let's just skip that part. Yeah, so something else that happened this week. I don't know if y'all watch The Breakfast Club or listen to The Breakfast Club. I used to watch it on YouTube, but I listen to the podcast now because it's easier to do, especially like if I'm in the mix at work or something or on the road. It's kind of easier for me. I don't really have time to sit and do nothing. I kind of do stuff on the go, you know what I'm saying, because your girl be busy looking for dads. Okay, forget I said it. But anyways, DJ Envy, which is a DJ on The Breakfast Club, had a little beef with Deezus and Mero. And if y'all not familiar with them, they got a little show, little New York comedians, they funny or whatever. And DJ Envy and his wife Gia, I think they did like a special on The Real, The Talk, The View, girl, one of the morning shows, and basically talking about how he cheated on his wife, and Gia, which I love Gia, I listen to their podcast too, was saying how she didn't see it coming. He was a perfect husband. She knew him as Rashawn, which is his real name, and not DJ Envy, and she didn't basically see it coming. And you know, Deezus and Mero, they have a comedy show. They pick like things that happen and they kind of like make light of it. So I feel like DJ Envy basically was mad at them because he said they need to leave his wife out of this because they accentuated that she was in it for the money, because she was like, she stayed, and they was like, yeah, he told her to say that. You know, they just like joking. It was kind of funny, I ain't gonna lie, I laughed. But he was just basically saying leave his wife out. They can talk about him as long as they want. But I feel like they didn't specifically target her. They were just watching the clip, and the clip was of her talking, so they had to kind of like comment on what she was saying. I don't feel like they just picked him up and said, oh, he cheated because, you know, she stayed with him because of the money. But they were literally playing playback of her saying certain stuff on the show. I feel like if you made it public, it's public. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't put that out there that you cheated in public, you put it out there for people to comment on. I feel like he need to pull his skirt down in the situation. And like I said, I love Gia. I love her point of view. She's so nice, but her man, girl, I don't even, do I want it? No. But anyways, he cheated. I feel like it was kind of fair game. I don't think he trying to treat it like they said, oh, she was a hoe and this and that. Like, he was just saying like, oh, it went something like this. She was like, I didn't know DJ Envy, I know Rashawn. They was like, but you knew them DJ Envy chicks though. And so he was saying that like she was with him for the money, but they really been together since I was like 15. But she did know the DJ Envy chicks. She did know that he was making money, regardless of if she knew how he was out here in the streets. You know what I'm saying? Which made sense. I don't know. But we know they've been together forever. So he was all in his feelings about that. anyways. So I would really want to know y'all opinion on that. If y'all can pause the video right now and let me know if you feel like he was right for standing up for his wife. I really don't feel like it was a lighthearted joke. They wasn't like going in on her and saying like bad stuff. It was like a moment. Their whole show is picking clips that happened and talking about it and laughing about it. So it's like, you thought you was exempt, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. But anyways, let me know how y'all feel about that. Also, this came up a couple of times. I don't know if I feel like I talked to y'all about that, but it was like rumors that Cardi B was pregnant because I think I did. She had a little pudge on stage. This probably was like a month or so ago, but then like rumors are popping up that there was like drinking after like award shows, and she said give us some water and she didn't want to be around like smoking party, which kind of led people to believe that she was pregnant. And then they seen a little picture of her little baby bump. I looked through her Instagram page, and a lot of stuff, you know, Cardi is used to wearing almost nothing. And a lot of stuff, she is kind of covered, in her midsection is kind of covered. The dress she wore, what awards was that, girl? I don't know, because y'all know I don't watch award show. I just keep it funky with y'all. But it was like a big, pretty, maroonish dress. It was really pretty, but it really didn't show her midsection, you know. It kind of hid it, kind of like that pink dress that Rihanna wore or whatever, or something like that, girl. I don't know. But yeah, so I don't know, do y'all think Cardi B pregnant? Because that little girl who I cannot stand, I still don't know why she famous or what she's saying. People say she pregnant. Azealia Banks or something, she was like, oh, that's why you acting like that, congratulations, I didn't know you was pregnant. But Cardi never confirmed anything. So, but even if she is pregnant, like, so what? At least she engaged. Well, I don't know what's going on with that, but you know, at least she engaged. Like, I don't understand. But if she want to keep it to the end, like, you can't hide a baby. Like, well, you can't just pop out a baby and nobody know. Like, especially when you at the top of the billboards, you got shows. I think she got like Coachella coming up and other performances before and after. It's kind of it's really easy to hide a baby bump in a ball gown because you can get in any shape. But how you gonna hide that on stage? I don't know. I'm happy she didn't try to pull a Beyonce and reveal the stuff at the award show, because that's how Beyonce revealed her first pregnancy. We still ain't seen Beyonce damn twins. Like, how do they look? Somebody posted like a blurry picture of them before, but we still ain't got no clear family portrait. She protecting them little kids, but she showed y'all blue like the Lion King, you know. She just held up there for the world to see. How old is them babies? I feel like they should be almost one now. It's been a minute. I know they at least pulling up on the table. Like, what y'all think? I don't know. Moving along into the Witty listens for the week. The song that I've been having on repeat, y'all, is King's Dead. It's Kendrick Lamar, some other clown. What is it, J-Rock and somebody, and Future. If you follow me on Instagram, you see my Instagram stories when I was in Houston, or the singing the Future part, I know. Anyways, if you didn't and you missed it, follow me on Instagram, sis. Prettywitty77, of course. Let me know what you guys are listening to by hashtagging Witty Listens on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You know, you can even send it to me on Snapchat. Let me know what you're listening to, and I might just feature you in the video or whatever. You know what I'm saying? But like, let me know, y'all, for real. Oh, I'm trying a new deep conditioner, y'all, so make sure that you check out the comment section, because I'm gonna tell y'all how I like it. But anyways, that pretty much concludes this deep condition. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hold on, wait. It's week 3, so I do a live deep condition every last Sunday of the month, somewhere between 3 and 4. You know, I'm on CP time, color people time. But look out, because don't be looking for no deep condition early in the morning. I'll follow y'all first watchers or whatever. But I will see you guys on Sunday.